Create a cube and press here to view on the selected objects. Scale it down, smooth and make it flat. Then go back to default view. Select the object and create a mesh network. Go to the Distribute tab in the Attribute Editor. Choose Mesh in the Distribute type box. In the outliner, find the object on which you want to place all the stones. Holding a middle mouse button, drag the object to the Input Mesh box. Reduce the number of points to 0 and go to the Mesh tab, then add Placer node. Select the first brush, check Scatter, reduce brush spacing and radius value. Now you can draw a stone pathway on the plane. When you're done, go to the Mesh tab and add Random node. Some of the stones placed too close to the graves, so we need to delete them. Go to the Placer tab, select the second brush and delete all the extra stones. Go back to the Random tab, increase rotating by Y-axis and each scale value. The stones are too big, so we need to scale down the original object. The original object is invisible now, but you still can find it in the outliner. Select the object, go to the channel box and turn on visibility. Scale the object down until the pathway looks more or less normal. Turn off visibility. Now it's time for grass. Create a plane and make a simple shape of a long leaf. Press D and drag the pivot to the lowest edge. Put the object in the middle of the coordinate system and press Freeze Transformation. Create one more mesh network. Choose Mesh in the Distribution type box. Once again, drag the plane to the Input Mesh box. Increase the number of points. If the grass seems too tall, select the original object and scale it down. Go back to Mesh and add Random node. We only need to increase rotation by Y-axis. Go to Mesh tab and add Strength node. Create a fall of object. Double-click. Check Invert Fall-Off. Choose Mesh in the Shape box. Find the previous mesh object and drag it to the Shape in box. Change Inner Zone value and Custom Shape Radius. Select all the gravestones and the bottom object of the crypt, then press Combine and Clean History. Go back to Mesh, add one more Strength node, and create a new Fall of object. Drag the gravestones to the Shape in box and do the same steps as for the previous fall-off.